Hello, work-life warriors. Welcome. Today I want to talk about play. As you can see, I'm dressed up as Scar today, and I wanted to come past and talk about play and why it's so important. It is so important where you can take a break from the real world and play and do the things that used to bring you so much fun, joy, and laughter. You could transform and be a completely different character for one day, a couple of hours. It's fun putting on the character. It's fun remixing it, making it your own. It's fun wearing it around, being in character, and then it's fun taking it off, saying goodbye, and seeing your original face again. So play is so beneficial. It's a way to get you in flow. It's a way to release all of the stress of the world where you in the moment, you're in the now, and you can play and enjoy yourself and just let all of your worries just drift away. So play is so important. We work very hard, but we do not play as hard as we work. It is our responsibility to go out of our way to add play, fun, and joy and laughter into our lives. No one else will do it for us. So think about what you used to do as a child. What type of play did you used to indulge in? What you would spend hours doing, maybe even the entire day doing. We need to get back to that. That's the only way that we can live an authentic life and to add more quality into our life and enjoy the one life that we have. So please share with me in the chat. When's the last time you did something childish? When is the last time you played like you used to play when you was a child? When's the last time you played for hours, and what were you doing? I hope this helps, work life warriors. Get out there and play. Have a great day.